What is up, crazy mom? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be installing this wig that was sent in by IDefinewig. This 14-inch wig comes with highlights. It's 13x4, so it's ear to ear, and it's also 180% density. What comes in this packaging is instructions on how to care for your wig. It comes with caps and it comes with the wig itself. Straight out the box, this is how the wig is looking. Since this wig is a more looser texture, like water wave, I did ended up washing the wig and prepping it myself. What I love about this wig is that it comes with a strap in the back, so if you guys want to go glueless, you have that option to do so. But I love to glue my wigs down, so I did end up gluing this wig down. What I also like about this wig is that the knots weren't too big, so when it came to me bleaching the knots, it was easy. Like, if you know, you know, them big knots, they don't bleach too easily. After shampoo and conditioning, I did go in with my Ruby Kisses foundation and tinted the lace so it can match my skin color. I did about 2 layers of this glue, and y'all, this is the best glue I ever had. Like, it's top 2 and it's not 2. Like, if you've been looking for a glue that actually holds your wigs, this is the glue you need. I will be putting it in a description box because I don't remember the name and I can't see it from this video, so I will be putting it in the description box below. I did leave the band on for about 30 minutes before cutting the lace, and the only thing I can really say about this wig is that it was too small for my head, so I had to leave a little bit of extra lace in front where the hairline is, because if I cut too much or too close to the hairline, then it would look funny and then like my edges would be showing and stuff. So I did end up leaving like a little bit extra lace over. If you wear wigs, you understand what I'm saying. Like, it's not appealing, it's not attractive, but it did ended up working out because once I pulled down my edges, they ended up covering that extra lace. I went in with a little bit of spritz to give my hairline a stronger hold, and I didn't put the band on afterwards because the band usually sticks to my wigs and then my wig starts to lift. I don't want that. I don't need that. So I just let my hairline air dry, and then I started doing my edges, which is a very long process for me if you watch my past videos. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know. Why you love me? You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. But right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. I did ended up running out of space while doing my edges on this side. but I had enough to do the other side. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process of how I do my edges.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. You, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest at night. I want that. I want that. Yeah. Never fall out of love with you.
Now we are going into the styling process. I use some foam to flatten out my middle part and then to give the curls a little bit of a definition, but it wasn't really defined as I wanted to be, so I did end up using some custard, like some curling gel, to make it more defined.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Maybe more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
And this is how the wig looks after the styling process. I really like this wig. It was soft. It didn't shed too much. Like, the washing process was easy, and the hair is surprisingly thick. I will be leaving all the details to this wig and the company down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out and go check out their website. Other than that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video.
I'm trusting you.